In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the belt on your top load washer. So now with our belt that we're looking to put on, just give it a quick inspection to make sure it's in good condition. It's not cracked or split or frayed. And if it's in good condition or brand new, then it's just very easy to put on. So now we're just going to take our belt, we're going to put it on the motor pulley first, and it's rib side in. Ease it up on top of the transmission pulley and rotate it around. Turn it a few times so it lines itself up. Check your tension. And it's all done. It's just that easy. So now that we have the part on, we just need to install the belt cover. We'll just slip that into place. And the repair is complete.